So for those who have been following the build, we're getting the car tuned. So this is just going to be a quick breakdown of how to install the chip in the ECU, the chip that'll be tuned for your application. So for this particular new Edge model, the ECU is located in the passenger kick panel. Has this stupid little 10mm screw that goes in there. I'm not really sure why Ford did that, but I find it very annoying. Let's see, flip you around. So you're gonna take the top cover off, which I already did. You're gonna there's like 6 of these. They're like 5.5 in metric. I don't know what they are standard. This other part, the bottom just kind of comes off, but the part that you need is this right here. If it'll focus. Normally this is covered up with this. Okay, you're gonna get your chip that's in there. This is the chip. Come on, hold on. Bam, there we go. Alright. So, as you can see, this right here will go into there. Let's see. I guess I should have left this box open, but they give you this little piece of, I don't know what it is, Brillo pad. And you need to clean, there's like silicone sealant on there, so you need to scrape it off and then clean that, both sides, really good. So do both sides. I did it until the copper is showing through, so I knew that it was cleaned very well. Excuse me, I'm sick. But then you're going to take this and pretty much just slide it in there. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. There we go. And then yeah, then the tuner has access to the port here, so you can plug it in and make adjustments and flash it. That's pretty much it.